Oh, hello everybody. I think this is going to be my first video log. Oh, I'll tell you what, the amount of times I have tried to get this working, and it's just been constant fail after fail after fail. I had a drift stealth and I was trying different ways of getting audio. It just went on and on and on. I think I probably end up spending about 50 odd quid extra on top of the camera, and after all that I probably should have just went out and got this straight away, because you get the stealth, you get an external mic and it goes straight into your helmet. No worries, no bother. So much easier. So much easier than what I had. But anyway, here I am. First video log. I'm hoping that the engine sounds and everything comes out right. The last thing I want is for you lot just to be hearing my voice, or just to be hearing me heavy breathing and not hearing the engine. So at least if I can get you lot hearing some of the bike, that'd be fantastic. Another thing I must say is I have not given up cycling. I am still going to be cycling. The fuck is that? Oh, that's my bloody top box, isn't it? I had a reflection down there. I wondered what the hell it was. But I think that's my top box. Yeah, so, sorry. I have not given up cycling. I am still cycling. I've had almost 2 months out of it, so I'm going to slowly start getting back into it. But I'm also going to be doing video logs. So, not giving up completely. Tell you, getting a bike, getting a motorbike is probably the best thing I have done in a long time. I absolutely love it. It's taken me a while to get round to the case of actually getting a motorbike, and to be honest, I never thought I actually would. I thought it was going to be one of them things I'd always say, I want a motorbike, and never actually get one. But after coming up from a push bike, I've sat and thought, right, I want a motorbike. It's going to make it easier to commute to work. It'll make it easier to commute to work. Oh, you seen me? It'll make it a lot easier to commute to work. And the thrill of just going out for a Sunday and just going out doing a ride. Plus, I've always wanted to do video logs. I suppose I could use that as another excuse. But on a push bike you can't really do video logs. But anyway, here's to a new way. You'll probably see me doing a lot of the same route of me going to work and back. Fuck me, look at the size of that bike. It's fucking massive. Fucking hell, dickhead. Oh, holy shit. Fucking hell. Jesus. Another one. Been a few idiots out on the road today, and it's been annoying me. I had one earlier. You should see it on the video at some point today. But I had one he was in the right lane and I was in the left, and as he's gone to move over, I think I was in his blind spot. Not that I can really call him an idiot, because he was just moving over. He obviously didn't see me, but I gave it a quick rev and he moved back into his lane and flashed his lights at me, so I'm assuming, I could only assume that was a sorry, and then he kept his distance. But bless him. So I've noticed that sometimes it can be a bit difficult, or you don't realise, because in a car, if you're in someone's blind spot, it's a lot easier to spot than a motorbike. If you're on a motorbike and you're in someone's blind spot, they will attempt to move, and sometimes you don't mean to put yourself in that situation, but you do. But I suppose I'm not sure, but I'm hazarding guessing that just comes down to experience. Now, I know I've only been on a motorbike since 1st of November. Had my CBT since 1st of November, and it's like 5th, 6th of January. I'm a postman, I should know the dates, but it's like 5th or 6th of January, I can't remember which one. I think it's the 5th, might be the 6th. Anyway, police, don't see them often, but yeah, I'm hoping. Go on. Hopefully that can show them, look, not everyone knows mean old bastards on the road.